What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing fucking day. Go out in nature, for real. Go enjoy. Look at this. Take the time out of your day to go enjoy some nature. You know why? Because it's healthy for you. And also, being in the present moment is amazing. Dang, they have another bench right there. I didn't know that. It's cool. What's up, guys? Just enjoying nature right now. I'm riding my bike. One thing I should have done was I should have brought myself some food. I didn't think I was gonna be out in the riding my bike in the trails and stuff for this long, but I'm not gonna lie. I think I might be lost, but I don't think I am, because a lot of people were going the way that I've been coming from. So I think that if I go this way, that's like gonna be closer to the entrance. But regardless, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying myself, and you know, being in the present moment and enjoying life, and enjoying Mother Nature. It's an amazing thing. But with that being said, guys, enjoy your day. All right, peace. What's up, guys? So, taking a little break on this bench. I kind of got lost, I'm not gonna lie, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just walk this way. I've been following kind of the steps and stuff like that. I have come really far. Like today, I think I've been out here for about like 2-3 hours, and I'm celibate right now. I'm on seed retention. Like I'm not lusting. I'm not out here chasing women. I'm not out here giving my energy to things that I don't want to give my energy to, right? And anyways, like obviously this YouTube channel, there's some other YouTube channels, and this one dude, he was doing 40 days fruit fast, and honestly, all respect to bro, because dude, 40-day fruit fast, that's a big commitment, you know. But anyways, what I was trying to say is that I'm out here riding my bike. All I brought was water with me, and I should have brought some food. I ate a sandwich earlier. I ate a sandwich earlier, like a grilled cheese with ham and stuff like that. But anyways, look, I was thinking to myself, I was like, dude, how is bro just going 40 days eating fruits? Like, bro, if that was me, I would be eating as much fruits as possible. Like, I'd be eating avocados, pineapples, mangoes. Like, I would be eating the most dense foods, so that way I can, you know, feel full. Because me being out here riding my bike and exercising, like, you feel the energy. You really feel the energy for real. But going 40 days just fruit fasting, man, I couldn't imagine. You gotta have a strong will to accomplish that. Especially if you're holding your seed, man. I say congrats. I say hats off to you for real. But in general, I just wanted to make this quick video, and yeah, I'm gonna continue and go on with my journey. Peace. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and I hope you're doing well. Look, today I've spent a long time just enjoying myself in nature and really having fun in the sun, even though the sun's going down, and riding my bike and having a great time. That might sound, to some people watching this video, that might sound like boring, and if that is boring to you, it's totally understandable. All right, I used to be there there used to be a time in my life where I didn't think that things like this is enjoyable. But look, if you're trying to become a better version of yourself, it doesn't mean to come outside in nature, enjoy nature. But what that does mean is that having your mind, being able to focus on the things that are important to you, right? You think that I could just come out here in nature and, you know, walk around with the trees and ride my bike and enjoy myself, and you think that I want to be thinking about women and lusting? That doesn't make any sense, man. Look, when you come outside to enjoy nature or anything else that you do in life, I'm pretty sure you want to be focused and be aware and be present in the things that you are doing. So if you're struggling with lust, you're struggling with corn, you're struggling and you're feeling weak, please check the links in my description and feel free to contact me or reach out to me on social media, where I could help you to become the best version of yourself. Thank you.
And the disciples of John showed him of all these things. And John, calling unto him 2 of his disciples, sent them to Jesus, saying, Art thou he that should come, or look we for another? When the men were come unto him, they said, John Baptist hath sent us unto thee, saying, Art thou he that should come, or look we for another? And in that same hour he cured many of their infirmities and plagues, and of evil spirits, and unto many that were blind he gave sight. Then Jesus answering said unto them, Go your way, and tell John what things ye have seen and heard, how that the blind see, the lame walk, the lepers are cleansed, the deaf hear, the dead are raised, to the poor the gospel is preached. And blessed is he whosoever shall not be offended in me. And when the messengers of John were departed, he began to speak unto the people concerning John. What went ye out into the wilderness for to see? A reed shaken with the wind? But what went ye out for to see? A man clothed in soft raiment? Behold, they which are gorgeously apparelled, and live delicately, are in kings' courts. But what went ye out for to see? A prophet? Yea, I say unto you, and much more than a prophet. This is he of whom it is written, Behold, I send my messenger before thy face, which shall prepare thy way before thee. For I say unto you, among those that are born of women, there is not a greater prophet than John the Baptist. But he that is least in the kingdom of God is greater than he.